Hey folks, I hope you can hear me alright. It's just my phone microphone picking this up. My phone microphone. Yeah, you know what I mean. It's a little honeysuckle special here I'm doing. I found a really nice spot. It's not on my usual track. It's someplace else, but it is this beautiful honeysuckle bush here. And if we focus on some aspects right here, you can beautifully see how the honeysuckle grows. For example, here as it gets hold of the tree here, then it starts twisting around the tree. You see, beautiful. Right up to the top. I can't see it here on the camera. And I also love this little taint of red, of orange and red in the leaves. Just mesmerizing. Let me try to get over here, and here you see the special way in which it, when it has nothing to hold itself onto to climb, then it will just twist around itself, like in a chaotic manner, one could say. It's hard to get up here. Here again, little wannabe tree. And yeah, you see here it is growing around this tree, then branching over here, going over to this one, letting in a little loop. Come on, buddy. Let me go into this mess right here. Ouch! I mean, just look at this. It builds these nice, like, yeah, I don't have any words for this. I hope it can somehow be assessed with this video here. It's so beautiful. Everything else is like in these forest winter colors, you know, these dark browns, blacks and grays. And it's just the honeysuckle that is like putting some color in this otherwise colorless surrounding here. Come on, little focus. Guys, I need to get a real camera without an autofocus, with which I can do these. Come on, focus. Yeah, look at it. It's just like a chaotic pattern. Here it is, this little twig from this tree on the right. I mean, can you figure this out? Which is going which way? I mean, this is a part of the tree. So this honeysuckle bent this tree around over here. Then it grow away from the tree onto this other tree here. And I mean, look at this. Yeah. I'm mesmerized, guys. This is too much for me to hold my awe, if that is an English expression. This is just awesome. Yeah guys, just a little honeysuckle special here. I will meet this exact place maybe in a month or so again to see how it developed. See you then guys.